What's going on, guys? It's your boy Mandated back with another video. Today's video I'll be showing you how to download all the Adobe programs for completely free. Alright, so just take a second out of your day please to go subscribe to my channel. So basically I'm making a vlog channel. I'll link it down in the description below. I haven't posted any videos, but be sure to be on the lookout for those videos. I'll be posting them shortly. And also subscribe to my channel, this one. Alright, so basically I was going across my school email and received this one. So I hit get started just to see, if it was real. And it brought me up to this page, this Adobe page. Alright, so it asked me to sign into my CUNY First email address and password. So how you get into CUNY First is the same thing you have to type in here. And then this is the page that popped up. So it asked me if I want to download Photoshop, all these programs, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, InDesign, literally all these programs for free. Alright, so I kind of jumped the gun a little and downloaded a few of these programs. I'll show you guys right here. I got Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro. And just to show you guys this is working, I clicked on Photoshop. This is the 2020 version. So I'm going to put create new and show you guys this is working here. So yeah, so the only thing that this method is going to work for you is if you're a college student and you have CUNY First, an email address and password. And this will work for you completely free, not clickbait at all. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel to get this, and I'll drop all these links in the description. My other channel, my vlog channel, and also the link for this program. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It's completely free, and I'm out. Peace.